Now, no matter if you've chosen to shoot in a studio, at your house, or on location somewhere, it's almost always best to have the owner present. They can have a lot more control over the animal. They know its tendencies, and they just know little tricks and things that they can do, and it can help you maybe get a better picture. The owner will also know what treats the animal likes and how many they want them to have and those kind of things. Like, for example, these are just simple little treats, but if things aren't going so well, I know with my dog, and probably with most dogs, that a little piece of cheese or a hot dog might actually be the best thing to keep the animal's attention. Also, it can be great to have the owner help you direct the animal. So while you've got the animal set up on your backdrop and you can be behind the camera, your owner can have a squeaky toy or a treat that will help get their attention so that you can focus all of your energy on just catching the right moment. Lastly, Mika's a pretty good sized dog. She's about 60 pounds. And a dog this large could do a lot of damage to your studio, knock over lights or damage equipment or even the backdrop. So another important reason to have the owner present is so that they can help control the animal and make sure that they're nice and relaxed so that you can get great pictures, right? Good girl.